Hi there, I'm Gökhan from Belgium here. I'm an Office 365 MVP and a Microsoft Regional Director. I'm actually here in Turkey doing a road trip from the East Coast to the West Coast. But with this video, I'd like to invite you all for SharePoint Fest Seattle. It's my fourth time in a row in Seattle, and this time I'll be doing a workshop with my good friend Liz Sundert from Microsoft about Microsoft Teams. The workshop is called Mastering Microsoft Teams, and we have planned with Liz to divide the workshop in 4 parts. The first part will be use cases. What are the benefits of using Microsoft Teams, how you could use it, and giving real-world examples. The second and the third part is my part, where I'll be more deep diving in the operational part on how to use Teams, how to create a channel, how to create a team, how to invite people with codes, how you can apply DLP rules, how you can use the immersive reader, how you can audit and secure your environment. All of those stuff which is actually required for an operation excellence are in our workshop. And the last but not least part would be actually the funny, but at least the educational part, where we will invite everybody in a room to take part of an exercise, where we will divide the people in 2 big groups and we'll try to make a battle royale between those 2 and try to cover everything that we have seen in a workshop. So I really hope you get excited, because I am really excited, and Liz as well, because we are doing our best to bring you all those new features, assets, functionalities that we have learned to this workshop. And I really hope that I will see a lot of familiar faces, also new faces in our workshop, because we will rock and roll. See you soon.